Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, you need to open Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids. And download this free app from Mad Scientist developer, Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, tap on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one, click on Set as Live Wallpaper, and hit Yes in the pop-up. If you wish to change some settings, click on the top right corner on this gear. Click on I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those however you want to. You can also select presets at the top left corner. Tap on the best option for you and select Yes in the Load Preset pop-up. When you're done, go back, click on Set Wallpaper, and finally decide where you wish to apply it, on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!